I said Club Paradise is like rocking at like an 8. Do y'all wanna go to motherfucking 9 or 10 right now? Let's go. I gotta do what I gotta do, man. For real. Yeah. All my exes live in Texas, like I'm George Strait. Or they go to Georgia State where tuition is handled by some random nigga that never did that. She only see what she does, I begin it and did it to me the first time we dated. She was no angel and we never waited. I took her pursuit and she wanted to fuck. Took it to go, told me don't even play it. We never talked too much after I blew up. It's only hello or happy belated. I think I texted and told her I made it. That's when she texted me and told me she prayed it. And that's when I texted and told her I love her. And right after texting and told her I'm fading she ass. What have I learned since getting richer? I don't working with the negatives to make a better pictures. I'm a Hennessy, enemies, one hell of a mixture. Even though it's fucked up, but I'm still fucking with you, damn. Is it the fall? Time for me to revisit the past. These women to call, house to drop, liquor involved. Stories to tell, we can do it all. But interviews are like confessions. Get the fuck about my dressing room, confusing me with questions like,
do you love this shit? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous?
are you single?
I heard you fucking girl, is it true?
It's true.
Hey, money, you think the niggas you with is with you?
What you tell us?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. And we say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fuck it right, alright. If I say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. You tell them.
Fucking right, alright.
If I say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. You tell them.
Fucking right, alright.
You say hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Fucking right,
Alright, you say hell yeah.
fucking right, alright. Yeah. Alright, let me fix myself for this shit.